The latest upgrade to the practical punch and shear is the new tape measuring device, which gives increased accuracy when cutting or punching hole positions. Move the tape to set your measurement, then lock in place. Once your required length is set, place the steel strip up against the stop and cut. This will give a precise and consistent cuts, time and time again. When punching hole positions at a set distance from the end of the bar, gently push the steel up against the special vertical stop and punch the hole. Alternatively, if you wish to punch a hole in a set distance from another hole, you can set the tape measure accordingly and align the special pin on the vertical stop to the reference hole. This feature is really handy for the repeat punching of equidistant holes. The practical tape measuring device is compatible with all earlier versions of the practical punch and shear.
As the name suggests, the practical punch and shear is actually two tools in one. Firstly, it cuts metal like a hot knife through butter, yet it is very safe to use. Simply slide metal strips into the cutting aperture and operate the lever to achieve a nice clean cut. You can also crop the corners to provide a neat and professional finish to the centres of your scrolls. The small lower blade is replaceable and has 4 cutting edges, so that when each edge becomes worn, you can swap it around to use one of the other 3. To ensure smooth cutting, the special adjusting screws that set the blade should be adjusted over time to keep as small a gap as possible between the large and small blades. This amazing tool also punches holes in steel. This may be needed to provide fixing holes in your metalwork. However, it is specifically used for making holes at joints where metalwork is to be riveted together. To ensure a hole is punched down the centre of a steel bar, you use the adjustable platform to set the height for the width of the bar you are punching. With the correct platform height set, place the mark on the edge of the steel bar into the centre of the punch block slot. Then pull firmly and smoothly on the lever. And just like that, you have punched a hole in solid steel, quickly and easily. Imagine how tricky it would be to drill a hole on curved metal, yet look how easy it is with the punch and shear. To protect the punch pin from damage, always support the weight of the steel strip and fully retract the handle before taking the strip out of the punch block.